Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video, I will show you how you can convert any picture text into editable text. So without any further more delay, let's begin. First of all, you need to have an internet connections. Once you have an internet connections, then you need to open any web browser and you need to go to this website www.onlineosier.net. I'll be providing this website link in the video description too, so you can click and log into this website. So when you log into this website, you can see the web page of this website. So what you need to do is you can see here a select file. Just you need to tap the select file and you need to search for that picture that you want to edit. So I've selected the respective picture text. Now once you select, click open. Now in the next option you can see here the English. So there are various languages depending upon your needs. Right now I'll be using English only. Then on the next step you can see options of Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel and text plain, that is the TXT. So if you need a Microsoft Word support, then you can click on the Microsoft Word. If you need a Microsoft Excel file, then you can click on this option Microsoft Excel. And if you need a plain text, which I always using, then you select the plain text. So here I will be selecting the text plain. And lastly, you can see here are options written convert. So you need to click it and wait for a few seconds until the processing gets completed. So once completed, you can see below, you can see here download output file. You can download the file too, or if you want to copy, you can simply right click and copy just like this, and you can paste in the notepad. So you see what is being written, that is being now editable. So let me make you clear. Like we minimize this and let me show you the real picture from where it is extracted. So you can see here, so what's written here, let me show you. So let me read out. Before you speak, so we'll check it out. Before you speak, listen, listen. Before you write, think, think. Before you spend, earn. Suppose you can see everything is being written as exactly and being extracted perfectly. So it's very useful if you really want to convert any picturable text into editable text. So in my opinion, you should definitely try it out. And if you have any problem or queries related using this website, then leave your comments below in the video description. I will try my best to help and guide you throughout using this website. So if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.